Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca and today I'm going to talk about a product that's been so hyped recently, and the product that I'm talking about is the new Size Up Mascara by Sephora Collection. I've seen it in all my Instagram ads. I work in a Sephora store and this is how the store is looking right now. So the entire store has the theme of this mascara, and today in this video we're going to see what the hype is all about. Let's jump straight into the application process. Okay, so I zoomed you guys a little bit closer so you can actually see what I'm doing. This mascara has 40 milliliters, which is bigger than the usual mascaras that have like 7 to 10 milliliters. So it's actually really a size up. It stands by its name. It says here it's made in Italy. It says it gives immediate supersized volume. We'll see about that. Let's look at the brush for a little bit. The brush is pretty big. It's something like an hourglass shape. It's kind of similar to the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It doesn't look like it's grabbing a lot of product. It won't like load the lashes with a lot of product, which is great. Okay, before applying mascara, I always curl my lashes, and I'm going to use a lash curler like this, grabbing them close to the base and kind of rotating it like this so I get the maximum curl. I'm always starting from the base of my lashes and doing left and right motions like this to coat every lash. And let's see. It doesn't look like it's clumping the lashes, it looks like it's separating very well. I really love this brush though, it has a lot of bristles and you can feel like it's coating every lash. And that's about how one coat of mascara looks. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as well. I don't like loading my lower lashes with a lot of product, so I'm going to use whatever is left on my brush. Okay, so that's how the initial coat looks like, and I must say I'm really impressed. It's really black, which I can appreciate. It's giving a lot of length and volume by separating every lash. Like I look like I have a lot of lashes. I'm going to apply another coat. I usually apply 2 or 3 coats of mascara just because I'm obsessed. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention the price of this. I was researching for the price, but for some reason I can't find it on the United States website, like Sephora.com. It might only be available in Europe, I'm not sure. Anyways, in Romania it's 62 lei, which is something like $15. I'm not sure if it will be available in the US. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Moving on, I'm going to apply a second coat now that this one is dried. My lashes feel kind of stiff right now, like it's not really allowing more coats. They kind of clump to each other. I don't mind that. Okay, so if you want a more separated look, definitely go for one coat only. Whoa, like look at my lashes. Of course they kind of clump to each other. This is not the kind of mascara that allows a second coat. The lashes felt kind of stiff. I don't mind it. I like the fake clumpy look. They look a little bit clumped to each other, but that gives like some extra volume. So if you like this doll-like lashes, then go ahead and apply 2 coats. And if you like a more natural separated look, just apply 1 coat. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do my other eye as well and then give you my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished the application, and as you can see, this is a lot. This Size Up Mascara gives so much volume. It creates like this doll-like fake lashes, and I live for it. It's my kind of a vibe. I really like the lashes to stand out. If you like full lashes, you don't have a lot to work with, you have really small lashes, I'd say go for it. It's amazing, especially for the price. I really love the effect that it gives. Even on the first coat it gave so much volume, and if you like to go that extra mile like I do, then go ahead and apply 2nd coat. It's amazing. It's really worth it in my opinion. And that, guys, is my opinion on the new Size Up Mascara by Sephora Collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that my schedule is so messy right now. I can't commit to uploading on a schedule because my daily schedule is a mess. Like, I work in shifts. I can't commit to posting on a certain day at a certain hour. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my uploads. Yeah, I hope you'll stick around, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!